In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play multiplayer in Novatus. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Novatus, or however you want to call it, is essentially the legacy version of Roblox. And if you download it, you will be able to host servers or join other public servers. So download it from itch.io or GitHub, and once you have Novatus downloaded, you will be able to browse through all of the options. So first, when you open Novatus, this is what you should see. If you go over to the Play tab, you will be able to set up your player name, so you can customize your player, set up the name, ID, and all that you have to do if you want to join a public server is to set up the server address here, so you can copy it from anywhere, like a Discord server, a website, and choose the option to play. There is no secret to this. It is simple to do and you will join right away. But if you want to host a server to where only you and your friends can join, then there will be a little bit more setup needed. One of you will have to go over to the host category, so either go over to host or choose the options and change the view to compact, and you will have a view similar to this one. And once you go over to host, you will be able to configure the server port and other details about the server. So you will have the IP, the map, version, and so on. And by configuring all of these, your friends will be able to join you using the IP. You might also need to download something like Radmin, which essentially is going to act as the bridge between you and your friends. So by default, if they try to use your IP, they might not be able to connect. So this is where Radmin comes into play. So you will have to download Radmin VPN or something like LogMe and Hamachi and set up a network to where all your friends will join. Once all of you are in the same network, then they copy your IP, and once they copy the IP used here, they will be able to join the server alongside the server port. But like I said before, if all you want to do is join public servers, then simply input the server address here and you will be able to play Novatus multiplayer. With all of that said, if this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to the channel metrics, 83% of people watching our videos are not subscribed. If you subscribe, you can help us from the channel bring you the highest quality videos and the best solutions to your problems, so I highly count on your support. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.